Explaindio is a video animation software that helps you to create 2D and 3D animation videos, doodle sketch videos and motion videos. What can you do with Explaindio Video Creator? Here's what you can create with Explaindio Video Creator. Doodle animation and whiteboard videos, 2D and 3D animated videos, full motion videos, explainer videos, high-quality parallax videos, Kinetic Typography, YouTube outros and intros, impressive logo stings. Explaindio Video Creator's unique features. This is a desktop software that works on both PC and Mac. You can create and export unlimited videos. There is no limitation at all. You can create full 3D animations with Explaindio. This software has a multi-timeline editing feature. You can also import your own videos and images into the editor and incorporate them into the final video. With the front-end purchase of the Explaindio software, you get access to more than 180 pre-made text animations. The timeline of this video editor gives you great control over each video element. You can time and sync each and every element in the video to perfection. You also get access to 200 pre-made animated scenes. There is an inbuilt integration with Pixabay, which means there is never a scarcity of royalty-free images for you to use in the videos. There is also a decent collection of background audio tracks and more than 300 fonts included in this whiteboard animation software. You can create multiple animations at the same time. How to create animated videos with Explaindio. Creating video animations with Explaindio is quite straightforward. To create any kind of video, you need to follow this process. Create a slide. You can either pick pre-made slides or can choose a blank slide to begin with. Add elements. You can add image, video, text elements to your selected slide. You can either use the media stored in the Explaindio library or add your own items. Customize. Once all the elements have been added to the slide, it is time to customize the video. You can use the editor timeline to adjust the timing. Also, there is a customization option available for even the smallest element on your canvas. Similarly, you can add more slides and customize them. Export. Once everything is done, export the video in your desired format. Watch the demo video below to find out how it's done. What do you get with the Explaindio Business Edition software? The proprietary warp technology, owned exclusively by Explaindio, has given the Explaindio Business Edition a great edge over its competitors. Here is what you get with Explaindio Business Edition. 600 ready-to-use animated scenes, 500 full HD background videos, 500 doodle sketch images, background audio tracks, 300 plus fonts, 6 animated characters, 180 plus click and custom text animations, access to the private Explaindio group, and much more. How is Explaindio 4 Business Edition different from Explaindio 4? Explaindio 4 Business Edition is different from all previous versions. Not only will people get the #1 software, including updates and a massive number of features, but they will also get a number of additional video apps. Those additional and congruent apps were chosen to both allow people to improve already amazing Explaindio videos and to improve any videos, including those not made in Explaindio. This makes Explaindio 4 Business Edition a perfect solution for all types of businesses, freelancers, and agencies. On top of that, only during Explaindio 4 Business Edition launch, there will be a 71% off coupon code from the $497 one-time price version, makes it about $144 one-time for early bird, which normally sells at $497 price all the time. So for the very first time since 2015, people can get Explaindio with a one-time price and with the complimentary congruent software additional apps. Also, everybody who purchases Explaindio 4 Business Edition will get version 5 as a free upgrade.